Imagine this: Apple's first big event of 2025, and it's rumored to be packed with game-changing announcements that could redefine the tech industry as we know it. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that leaks have already spilled the beans on Apple's biggest secrets? From a redesigned iPhone SE to powerhouse Mac upgrades, there's so much to unpack. But before we dive in, here's a quick question. What would you want more? A budget-friendly iPhone with premium features? Or a MacBook so powerful it makes gaming PCs jealous? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from Apple's event and how these innovations might impact your tech choices. Let's kick things off with one of the most anticipated products, the iPhone SE 4. The SE lineup has always been about packing flagship performance at a more affordable price. This time, Apple seems to be pushing the envelope further. Leaks suggest a sleek design inspired by the iPhone 14, complete with a 6.1-inch FHD plus OLED display. And here's the best part. No more outdated LCD panels. With rumors pointing toward an A18 chipset and a powerful 48-megapixel camera, this budget iPhone could be a game changer. But wait, what if Apple surprises us with features even the flagship models don't have? It's worth thinking about. Now, for all my Mac lovers out there, the MacBook Air 2025 is shaping up to be a beast. Rumors hint at the introduction of the M4 chip, boasting a 9-core CPU and 10-core GPU, plus a base RAM of 16 gigabytes. Imagine breezing through tasks without breaking a sweat. And thanks to enhanced battery efficiency, this could become your all-day work companion. But here's a twist. Could the rumored price hike dampen the excitement? Let me know what you think in the comments. Speaking of power, the Mac Studio 2025 might just blow everything else out of the water. With rumors of an M4 Ultra chip supporting up to 500 gigabytes of unified memory. This could become a dream machine for developers, content creators, and professionals demanding extreme power. But there's one question. Do most users even need this much firepower? And here's a fun fact. Apple might finally be giving the Studio display a facelift with mini LED technology for smoother refresh rates. Imagine working on motion graphics or video editing with that buttery smooth display. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's shift gears to the iPad lineup. The 11th generation iPad is expected to come with the A8 chip, boosting performance and starting with a generous 128 gigabyte storage. Meanwhile, the iPad Air M3 will blur the lines between the iPad Air and Pro models, thanks to the powerful M3 chip. This could be a game changer for creatives on the go. Oh, and here's a wild card. Apple might finally give the HomePod Mini and Apple TV a much-needed upgrade, with better spatial audio and 8K video streaming support. Imagine your living room turning into a smart, connected hub seamlessly integrated into Apple's ecosystem. So, when will we see these innovations hit the stage? Historically, Apple holds its first major event in March or April, and all signs point to a similar timeline for 2025. It's safe to say that excitement is building and the stakes are high. Before you go, here's a thought. Could Apple's upcoming event redefine your tech choices for the year? And speaking of choices, if you're curious about a gadget that's making waves, check out my video on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, a comeback like no other. It's one you won't want to miss. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.